Hi friends, welcome to EduTab. So welcome to yet another lecture of IBPS AFO 2019-20 Marathon Series. So this is lecture number 11, wherein we are going to discuss 5 important questions taken from Census 2011. This is part 2. It's going to be a very short lecture, just 5 minutes, okay? So the reason behind coming up with this particular series is to make sure that we are well versed with various sources that are being picked for the examination. So as per the changing trends, we have seen that not only the core agriculture questions, we are also getting questions from maybe the budget, economic survey, important reports, right? So that's the reason we are covering the most possible reports and surveys, right? So let's move forward and see the courses that EduTap is offering for IBPS AFO 2019-20. So the first is a complete test series wherein you have 10 full-length mock tests for phase 1, 25 sectional tests for phase 2 and 25 full-length tests for phase 2 again. Then you have the second kind of a course which offers the complete coverage of phase 1 and phase 2. For phase 1 you have 10 full-length mock tests. For phase 2 you have the complete coverage in terms of concept video, concept notes, summary sheets, worksheets and MCQs. Current affairs are also being covered as part of this particular course. The third kind of course that you have is the only phase 2 course, okay, wherein the only thing that you will miss out on is phase 1 10 full length mock test. So we are offering a 30% off on all the AFO courses. You need to use the coupon code AFO30 to avail the same, right? Okay, so in each lecture, I usually remind you of the tentative calendar that's released by IBPS to make sure you are keeping a track of your preparation. So the prelims exam will be held on 28th and 29th of December 2019 and the mains examination on 25th of Jan 2020, right? Okay, so today's lecture is again Census 2011. So the first question for today is, as per Census 2011, the scheduled caste constitute what percentage of total population in India? So is it 14.36%? Is it 23.84%? Is it 16.63%? Is it 19.37 or 21.21%? The correct answer for this particular question is 16.63%. So out of the total population of India, if you see, 16.63% constitutes scheduled caste, right? Next, coming to question number 2. So as per Census 2011, the scheduled tribes constitute what percentage of total population of India? Again, very factual question. Just memorize it then and there. Is it 7.21%? Is it 10.34%? Is it 9.79%? Is it 8.61% or 13.47%? The correct answer for this particular question, it is 8.61%. Okay. Coming to the third question, as per Census 2011, what percentage of total population are migrants? Is it 26.9%? Is it 31.4%? Is it 37.8%, 39.2% or 43.5%? The answer is 37.8% of the total population are migrants. So you can see 45.36 crore people in India are migrants, which is again 37.8% of the total population. Coming to the fourth question, friends. So as per Census 2011, which district has the highest sex ratio in India? So is it Mahe, is it Almora, Kollam, Kannur or Thrissur? The answer for this particular question, it is Mahe. So Mahe is a district in Puducherry and it is a sex ratio 1176 females per 1000 males, right? So you can see it has the highest sex ratio in India. Coming to the last question, as I told you, very quick lecture this is going to be. So as per Census 2011, what is the total growth in male population since 2001 census? That is the previous census. Is it 15.32%? Is it 17.19%? Is it 18.23, 18.76 or 19.11? The correct answer for this particular question, friends, it is 17.19%. So you can see that Indian male population has increased to nearly 62 crores with a decadal growth of 17.19%, right? So you are comparing the previous census which was held in 2001, okay, and the present census 2011. So in the 10 years you can see 17.19% of decadal growth, right? So yes, friends, with this, a very quick lecture, we have completed it here. So if you want to have a look at the courses that we are offering, the features of it, you can go to our website, www.edutab.co.in. You can drop us a mail, hello@edutab.co.in. You can also give us a call at 8146207241. So till then, friends, thank you so much for joining in and as usual, happy learning.